Ever pondered over the process of cleaning a fuel injector at home? It's not as complex as it may initially appear. Today, we'll delve into a step-by-step guide to help you clean a fuel injector like a pro, right within your garage. First things first, gather all the necessary tools. This includes a fuel injector cleaning kit, a socket set, a screwdriver, and of course, safety goggles and gloves. Remember, safety always comes first. Now, commence by locating the fuel injector in your car. Typically, you can find it in the engine bay. However, the exact location might vary depending on your car's make and model. Once you've located the fuel injector, use the socket set to disconnect it. Always be gentle during this step, as applying too much force can cause damage. The next step is to connect the cleaning kit to the fuel injector. This kit contains a cleaning solution that helps dissolve and remove the dirt and grime accumulated in the injector. Before you connect the kit, ensure that the fuel pump is disabled. This is crucial as it prevents the car from starting up during the cleaning process. With the cleaning kit connected, you can now initiate the cleaning process. The solution will flow through the fuel injector, dissolving the dirt and deposits. It's important to let the solution do its job, so patience is key here. Allow the solution to flow for around 5 to 10 minutes. After the cleaning solution has done its job, it's time to remove the cleaning kit. Do this gently and carefully. Once removed, reconnect the fuel injector using the socket set. It's essential to ensure that the fuel injector is securely attached. Once everything is back in place, it's time to test the results of your endeavor. Start your car and let it run for a few minutes. You should notice an improvement in the car's performance. If not, don't worry, it may take a few drives for the effects to become noticeable. So, to summarize, cleaning a fuel injector at home involves locating and disconnecting the fuel injector, connecting a cleaning kit, letting the solution flow through, removing the kit, reconnecting the fuel injector, and finally, testing the car. It's a straightforward process that doesn't require any specialized skills or tools, just a bit of patience and care. Remember, a clean fuel injector can significantly improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. It's a small task that can make a big difference. So, why not give it a try? You might be surprised at the results.